Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are back. And we have some great news. We're back. That's all that matters. That's the great news, is that I'm here. And that's all that matters. Ooh. I like this. Oh, what a reversal. Market's trying to push back to the highs. 700s. What a nasty sound. What a recover. 5-minute closing bullish. Up at 700s. Seeming like they want to go back up here to the 60s, 760s. Question is, do we do that? Do we make it happen? That is the ultimate question here. Just make sure I'm trading the right account. He is not quite going up there yet, so I'm gonna be patient. I do want to take a short here, but 5-minute chart's not looking the best right now for a short. I want to be patient. If we can flip back down and close below here, that would be, what's the word I'm trying to say here? Beautiful or something. No thanks, don't want to do that yet. Would have been neat if 5-minute would close down here. ES not quite going up yet, not really breaking to the upside, so looking better on the 3-minute for short. We're testing 700s as resistance. Let's see how the bulls react to this. They did bounce off a VWAP, so technically, I mean, it's screaming just to go long, but I don't know. It's like, it just seems like it's too obvious. And when it's too obvious, I think the move is not to mess with it. Let's check the news tomorrow though. Let's see what we have tomorrow. I think we have tomorrow ADP non-farm employment. That's at 7:15 Central. And then we have S&P Global, first 15-minute, and then top of the hour ISM non-manufacturing. So some 3-star news should get some decent movement, but news as of late, just been saying, hasn't really been newsing, you know what I mean? The news ain't been the news yet. What a reversal though here. That's crazy. All the way to 700, 100-point reversal. But we did have a 100-point drop. This, I hate these V reversals. They're pretty tricky to trade, if I'm being honest. It's always tricky. But the best thing right now, let's see. Are the bulls really just going to step in here? Let's look. Okay, ES is moving on up too. And I am trading funded accounts. If you are questioning or wondering. I did blow this one just shortly ago. It's crazy because here's the trade itself. I went long here. It was good for a bit, and then it just absolutely just like decimated. I was like, oh man, what a bummer. Yeah, that's that. We're about to hit 7 o'clock. What do we see here? He is coming back down as well. They're still trying to push. I mean, you got the level up here, 760's resistance, which you have this little point over here, this little area of resistance, the pivot point. So the question is, do we hold resistance here? And the bears try to flip it back down. Bulls are trying to stick it to him. Do we just keep rallying? Here we go, here we go. Bulls coming back in. They're trying. They're trying to come through. ES coming up to its first resistance zone. It's kind of mirroring what happened over here, right? So this chunk was this, and now we're getting this. So it's kind of funny. Very ironic. Because this area is happening here. So are we going to see this happen over here too? They just absolutely just tank on up? Is that what we're about to get? I like it for a short. We'll just play this little cheap trade here, see if we can get a cheap trade in. Everything's already preset, so I'm not too stressed about this. Bulls are trying to push. They are coming in hard. We got the bears coming through. Can the bears bring it back down a little bit to earth before they take it to the moon? If we are going to the moon. That's the ultimate question. Do the bears have enough juice to keep us down? Bullish close, not the best. Looking at the bid, we're staying at 9, 8, 10. Bulls are still hanging on strong. They still want to try to push. Not the biggest fan of this close here, but still got potential. We just opened a new 3 minutes, so can we get the bears to flush this down a little bit to 701.25? It's just 10 points, but sometimes 10 points seems like the hardest thing in the world to get, especially during Asia. Oh, nope. Looks like the Bulls are winning. Got about a minute and a half left. Will the Bears have enough juice? Come push it down below 10s. Close below 10s will be beautiful. Sensational. That's the word that I was looking for. Sensational. Keeping my eye on the bid here. They're keeping it above 10. The Bulls are holding it. Can we close below 10s? We got about a minute left until we get a new 5-minute close. Kind of starting to stair step up. Do we have enough juice to push it back down to 701.25? There we go. We get the bid at 7. Can we get 6 on the board for the bid? I mean, if we can get 5, I think it should be a pretty good flush, just down to 700s again. But Bulls are being kind of stingy here and wanting to hold us up. We're getting some, I mean, it's not really like heavy volatility, but I mean, we're getting some decent spikes. That's what's happening. $7.08. Can we get 7.07 back on the board? When I'm talking this, I'm talking about the bid here too as well. So looking at the bid, 5. All right, we close here. Should be pretty just good flush now. Can we get to 701.25? 702. 3. Come on, dog. No way. You're gonna come 3 ticks away. Six, 7, 5, 4. They're playing with that level. 4. Let's get the 4 back in the bid. 3 back in the bid. 2. Okay, we got 2. There we go. All right. I knew the Bears had it in them. All right. Well, folks, thank you for coming. That's a win. I'm just going to call it here. I don't want to trade anymore. I was kind of thinking about being super aggressive, but I've already blew one account, and I think I need to be more disciplined. Try to be more disciplined. But thanks for coming in. If you do subscribe, do not forget to turn on that notification bell because I am doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers, and you don't want to miss that. So either way, y'all have a good night, and I'll